Meaning of hunger striker.
Hunger striker.
Hunger striker.
Hunger striker.
Hunger striker. A hunger striker is an individual who chooses to refuse food in protest of a particular cause or issue. By engaging in this form of nonviolent resistance, the hunger striker seeks to raise public awareness and pressure those in power to address the underlying problem. Hunger strikes can have a profound impact on both the hunger striker's physical health and their psychological well-being, as well as on the broader political environment. They can lead to increased media attention and calls for action, but also carry significant risks and potential consequences for the individual undertaking the strike.